So this is one of the things you can do. You can have a big food portion of local food. Look at this, 25k, and look at this location. It's so beautiful, colors are popping. And we are ready to explore.
And this thing we give you like the equipment and the same price, because we have another 2 people also coming. The same price we do that too. Only.
So you give us extra snorkeling just because the 2 people are coming with us. For me, it doesn't matter. We're just going to Thailand anyway.
I'm down for some. I mean, yeah, they can come.
We can
I don't
bring
mind.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, sure.
I'm happy with this one.
And maybe we want to snorkel at Gili Air. Who knows?
Yeah.
I brought my bathing suit. And my auntie would literally put it on. She'd have a headache. She puts it on. Like a little cut, she puts it on, and she swears by this. How much is this?
Doing good. There you go. We can see with their baby-sized flippers.
They're perfect for me.
Yes.
Oh.
Alright guys, today we are going to explore the best of Gili Air. So turns out we can do some snorkeling as well. It wasn't part of it. We're paying 200k each for the trip both ways, and we're getting our bikes on board. So we're saving some money on that as well. You guys are prepared as well, I see. Got bintangs and Bali High.
Yeah, you guys got bintangs.
Yes.
Bali High.
Fuck yeah, that's what's up.
Arriving. Terima kasih. Look at you. Enjoying the island life.
Absolutely. I'm sun-kissed.
Alright. So we're stopping off a little bit with the place with the statues from yesterday, but after that we're heading to the island. But why not? It's a beautiful place. Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
Just ripping this massive bintang.
It's not that big. It's only as big as my head.
So now we're at the statue. We're gonna do it. I did it yesterday, so I'm not gonna record today because the water is gonna get stuck in the microphone. But Steve didn't experience it, so let's go.
I experienced it 4 years ago, though, I will say.
Yeah.
And I feel like the statue hasn't changed so much.
Probably not.
Getting older.
Just getting older. It's
Yeah.
aged.
Let's do it again. Round 2. Made it back, and today it was much better than yesterday. It was more clear, much less people, and yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna rock.
And she was
this.
here just chilling and enjoying the bintang.
I had a beverage that I had to finish, and I couldn't leave it behind.
And we are arriving at the harbor.
You know?
No idea. And that's the best part.
Around the island.
Let's go. Alright guys, let's go explore. See what this island is all about. Gili Air, here we come. So we're stacking up on some sunblock. All of it.
Ready for the day.
There you go.
That's gonna burn.
We're not gonna burn because I'm already burned, so.
We already burned. Hi, what a cutie. You guys live on this island? Yeah. I can tell.
Yeah.
I have a puppy.
Oh wow. It's very sandy. It's gonna be hard. Hello. No business.
I'm local.
The guy just said hello, tourists. Yeah, we're all on a business visa, so excuse me. Getting more onto some local roads this time. See what we can find. It's closed. Can imagine a lot of these places have closed down after the pandemic. Seeing a lot of them looks like they need some repairs, and doesn't look very open.
That's the only sign about this right way, so we go there.
Oh my
So,
God,
yeah.
look at the other one, it's upside down.
Upside down.
The only one was right way, so
Is
we
it the
need to go there.
aesthetic?
Yeah.
So we're feeling Villa Samalama. That's
So probably
the
they're all
one.
pointing this way, isn't it? Like if you turn them around.
Yep. At the end of the day, that's where it's telling us to go.
I have no idea.
Wow. Tourism Information Office. Feels like it's been a while.
They're all this way.
There you go. So we can see the sea, and there we can see the sea heading to the sea.
MotoGP going on here.
Yeah. Wow. She's in a rush. Let's get there. She's excited to go snorkeling. Ah! Oh my God. I don't know how smart this is, but
We leave her back in the shade and walk.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, that's really kind
Just leave it here. Ooh, look at that nice pool. It's a place. Yes, see, it's a place indeed. Wow. Guys, look at this place. It's insane.
Snorkel time?
Yes. Get some fresh coconuts. Yeah. Alright, so let's see if we can finish our mission for today and not get sunburned. We have one umbrella, so that is nice. How you doing, motherfuckers?
We made beds for us.
Yeah, so Ali had a genius idea to put this piece of bamboo in here, so yeah, let's hope that it stays up. At least we have some shade and we can enjoy the coconut, and we're about to head out and test the water because we got some snorkeling gear with us, so I'm ready. Let's explore. That's how you enjoy life. Beautiful. Let's do a cheers.
Yeah.
There you go. Mmm. It's so sweet. And the location makes it better. So we're having an argument with all the clouds coming here because we had beautiful weather and now it's starting to... Yeah, so we're like, chill. It's so beautiful here, don't come and ruin it. Okay guys, now that we have ripped through the coconut, we're gonna try it out with some snorkeling here. Doesn't look too promising, but let's see what it looks like. She's turning more and more into a cat person by the day.
Come here. Oh,
Woo! Looks like most of the places on this side of the island has closed down ever since the pandemic, so. We finished at the restaurant, had some food, and let's explore a little bit more. We have to get back soon, so let's see what happens. So colorful, it's beautiful around here. Look at this, and we're back in the middle of the island. Look at this. Look at all these places. So many of them look closed. It seems like it's been a while, and it might also be a while until this place is up and coming again, because some of these places look very rough. So I think it might take a little while before tourists are willing to come here, but I hope the economy will return to normal here. But this area looks really nice. We're now heading back to the boat. That was it for Gili Air this time. So we got to explore a little bit around, got to snorkel, got a little bit of both. So now we're heading back to Gili Trawangan. So if you're wondering about where you should go and you're watching this video shortly after it's released, then I definitely think you should go to Gili Trawangan. But it might also be really interesting to go here as well, because it's not really much is happening here at the moment, but if you want to relax and to help out the economy here, I think it's really great to go here as well. And as you can see right here, they could really use some of that economy to get this place up and running again like it was before the pandemic. So thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.